I wanted to show you guys a very powerful strategy, and I like this one a lot because it uses confluence from multiple time frames. So you're looking for things to happen on a 2-hour time frame, and then you're moving down to a 12-minute time frame for your entry. Now, this strategy was actually found by one of our Discord users. I'd been using something similar previously, but he really perfected this strategy. And I'm not going to go into detail on this video on all of the different confluences you're looking for, but I'm going to simplify it as best I can. So if you're a beginner out there, you can get a grasp on this strategy and try it out for yourself. If you want the full in-depth strategy, make sure to join our pro Discord and get access to Easy Algo. Click the first link in the description below if you'd like this indicator for yourself, as well as to see the strategy in depth. So what I've done here on Easy Algo SR is actually get rid of the lines and labels, and I just have these support and resistance zones. I've also been using a 2.5 sensitivity on Easy Algo for the buy and sell signals. I find that works very, very well. Now, obviously, December has been a rough month for trading. Volume has been pretty much dried up in the market, and it's just been very, very chaotic. You could have got some good trades over here in November, but you can see pretty much since the start of the month, we've been moving pretty much all sideways with a sudden drop here. And it's just not a fun market to trade, but this strategy still works in this market condition, which is incredible. So what you're going to be doing in the strategy is going to a 2-hour time frame to start, and you're going to wait for price to reach an Easy Algo support or resistance zone. For example, if we look left, we can see that price has rejected from this zone previously and previously before that. And if we go back even further, it had acted as previous support as well. So we know that this is a key support zone. So as price comes down to the zone and we get a mild buy signal off of this zone, we're going to be looking to enter a long position. So I'm going to press Alt V for a vertical line here. So this lets us know where we are. And now you could either enter a long position right here on the 2-hour time frame, or you could go down to a lower time frame and look for that entry. Now, what I'd recommend is go down to that 12-minute time frame for entry, but to do that, you're going to need another indicator, a free indicator called Fu Manchu Cipher B. So load in your Fu Manchu Cipher B and divergences, and we're going to go down to the 12-minute time frame. And you can actually see on the 12-minute time frame, we previously had a mild buy signal right here at the support zone. So something else you could do is actually front run that mild buy signal on the 2-hour time frame, meaning as soon as price approaches this zone on the 2-hour time frame, we're going to go down to the 12-minute time frame, and we can actually front run the signal on the 2-hour time frame. So our prime entry would be right here on this mild buy signal here on the 12-minute time frame. The reason being is that we're approaching a key support level on the 2-hour time frame, and we're getting that early entry here on the 12-minute. So this would be our entry for a long position. Stop loss right here at the bottom of that support zone. And we're going to be targeting probably this resistance zone for our first take profit, this one for our second take profit, and this high one for our third take profit. So we're currently, up over 8% on no leverage. So now our user who found this actually went back in replay mode on the standard Japanese candles and back tested the strategy for I think around 5 months. And he said the win rate is around 80%, right? So a very, very high win rate. Obviously more testing needs to be done to get a more accurate number, but just based on what I've shown you here, which is maybe 20 to 30% of the actual strategy, because there is more that is involved and there are other indicators involved, but this is just the basics. And just on this alone, you'd probably be looking at, I'd say, anywhere from a 60 to 70% win rate consistently. And the reason this works so well is because you're using higher time frame support and resistance zones and going down to a lower time frame to front run the entry. And this will work a lot better in better markets. Like I said, this is the worst month out of the entire year for trading, and this strategy has been killing it. And I'll put some results up on the screen now of our user in the Discord who's been using this strategy the past few weeks and has been absolutely crushing it consistently. This is one of the best strategies I've seen thus far and is definitely worth a shot in my opinion. Well, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel for more trading content, and I'll see you guys next video.